Good.
Good afternoon.
Wait.
Good afternoon. Today I will talk about my math class in our school and student-led conference script. Part 1. We have completed 3 units in our math class so far this year. Our first unit was about algebraic equations, and second unit was about algebraic expressions, and the third unit was about introduction to the trigonometry theories. My favorite unit has been so far, which is introduction to trigonometry theories. During this unit, we learned trigonometry theories, and we have learned how to solve trigonometry questions by going outside and having tasks and solving problems with my partners. Also, we made our own theodolite, and it helped me understanding about estimation and in the real world problems. I found this unit interesting because I am really interested and love geometrical questions, and it made me to focus more on my class, as it was my favorite types of questions. Also, it helped me understand more. Also, we had some problems in the first semester, and one of the teachers that I really respect came to our class and teach us, and it was really nice of him, and I really enjoyed the class. In this unit, we had a summative task, which was paper test, and it was graded against criteria A, C, and D. Here, I think I did well on my summative assessment because I tried to explain as much as I can, and I tried to use a lot of equations to explain my answer. It was I feel like I could have done better if I was able to organize my answers better and manage my time well while I'm taking my test. The ATL skills, which are approach to learning skills, I think that are really important in math or information literature skills, because if we aren't able to understand the questions, we won't be able to answer questions, and we will not get any grades for them. And the critical thinking skills, because we have to explain our ideas about the problem in lots of different ways and lots of different examples. Therefore, it was really important to have those skills. If I could have changed one thing we did in our class, it would be having more time to practice on our weakness. Thank you. This is about my design student-led conference. In our design class so far, we have completed 2 units. Our first unit was about designing a toy. Second unit was about designing an action project. My favorite unit has been so far the first unit, which was designing a toy. During this unit, we had to make our own toy with our own idea. I found this unit interesting because we could collaborate with our friends, and it was a good chance to show our own style and our own ideas about making toys. For this unit, we had summative assessment, which was to create our own toy. It was graded against criteria A, B, C, and D. I think I did well on my summative assessment because I love making things, and I was really able to communicate with my partner really well. I feel I could have done better if I could get more feedback and fix more problems, so the kids will like my toys more. The ATL skill, which are approach to learning skills that I think that are especially important in designs, are communication and collaboration. Communication is important because we need to communicate with things that we are dealing with. For example, like talking to my partner and getting feedback from kids. And collaboration, because we need to collaborate with our partner really well in order for us to make our toys successfully. if I could have changed one thing we did in our class, would be having more time to get feedback so it can be better. Thank you.